created a video for number 4, or I am creating a video for number 4, because I think that some of these problems, quadratic equations, are just easier to solve by completing the square, even than using the quadratic formula. So I wanted to show you this just to help you increase your confidence with completing the square. So the first thing I do is just bring everything over. That's why I'm bringing the negative 3x over. However, I am leaving the 7 over here because remember 7 is what we've been calling the problem child, right? So I'm just going to leave him over there. Now I'm going to find out what my number is that goes up here to complete my perfect square trinomial. Well, remember, that's going to be half of this middle term, right? So half of negative 3 is negative 3 halves. Okay, obviously that's the squared, so we already have it factored now, but what goes up here to make that a perfect square trinomial? Well, it's plus 9/4. Do you see that I squared this negative 3 halves? But since I added 9/4 to this side, I have to add 9/4 to this side as well, okay? So when we add all of this together, 7 over 1, get that an improper fraction, that'd be 28 over 4. So 28 over 4 plus 9/4 is going to equal square root of 30, it's going to equal 37 over 4, right? Now we're ready to take the square root of both sides. Remember the plus or minus. So we get x minus 3 halves equals plus or minus the square root of 37 over 2. See, I could take the square root of 4 to get 2. So now I just need to bring this 3 halves over here. So I have 3 halves. I brought this 3 halves over. 3 halves plus or minus the square root of 37 over 2. And there's my 2 answers for x. So pretty easy, huh? Completing the square does not have to be difficult.